Have you ever got into a little collision with your brother or sister and got a spot like on your eyebrow or on your head that was like black and blue and it looked terrible and it felt really like owie when people touch it or if you're pointing to it to show people what happened? So I'd like to show you a way to make that black and blue hurt spot go away really fast. And so my name's Amanda Dumas. I'm enamored with nature, and I hope I can teach you to be that too. I hope we can have you be empowered healers in your home. And so I'm going to walk through a couple ideas for how you can use your essential oils that you have at home, with mom's permission, of course, to be able to make your own remedies. Is that super cool or what? All right, so I have my little treasure here, and he used to have a bonky right over here, and it's now gone away so fast that we can't show you exactly how bad it looked. But this also happened for my good friend, and she had a fall in a parking lot. She tripped over one of the little parking stiles, and she used a blend like this and was able to make that yucky spot go away in only like 3 days instead of like a week and a half. So she was really impressed by it. So what we're using is Aroma Touch. And so my little treasure here is he's going to start doing a 5 ml. Do you guys know what I mean when I say ml? It stands for milliliters. And when we have the most common roller bottles, you're going to find are going to be a 5 ml, 5 milliliters, or a 10 ml. So if you ever only have a 10 ml bottle, but I'm giving you the recipe for something that's 5 ml, what do you guys think you'll do? If I say to put 20 drops in there, what will you do? Are you going to double it? Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm noticing this is not focusing super well, so let me see if I can get it to play. It's not really wanting to focus. So silly. Okay, so he's going to start putting 18 drops of Aroma Touch, and we like to keep 20 drops total in there. So here, let's hold it up so everybody can see. So we got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Fantastic! He got exactly 18 in there. That was great. All right, now Aroma Touch has a couple key ingredients, and while he puts the top on, I'm going to tell you some of the things that are in there. Okay, so we have cypress, basil, and marjoram that are already in the Aroma Touch blend. So if you don't actually have Aroma Touch, but you have cypress or basil or marjoram, then those will be great too. He's showing you the fractionated coconut oil, which actually I think this one's easier to read because the label is better on this one. Yeah. But before we put the fractionated coconut oil in, we're also going to put in 2 drops of copaiba. Do you guys know about copaiba? Yeah, we say arriba, copaiba. Because copaiba comes from Brazil. That's where they find the trees that make the resin, so we can source the copaiba, and we find it to be really good for pain. Did you get 3 in there? That's okay. 4. Oh my goodness, this will be extra good for handling our pain, and it also makes us not feel too anxious either. Okay, so he's going to keep on going with putting some fractionated coconut oil into our 5 ml bottle that already has the Aroma Touch and copaiba in there. And so when you guys are doing this at home, depending on what size bottle you have, remember you can double it. Or if you have a couple extra problems with your particular bruises, you could do a few little extra things. So if you have a lot more muscle soreness, you might want to add more of the marjoram or more of the basil. If the bruise is like really not going away and it's like super dark color, black and blue and really, really bad, you might want to put more cypress in there, because cypress is the oil of flow and movement, and it really makes that color move away. I think we're great now. So I noticed that Marcus put it right up there to the we call the shoulder of the bottle, and he's gonna put the top on. And then how many times are you gonna shake this to make it sure it blends?
50?
33. Yeah, it's a special number. 33 times. We're always going to do it. 33. And it's kind of fun if you guys happen to have clear bottles instead of the amber ones, you'll be able to see how it kind of gets, it starts to look like very like wavy, almost like ocean-like or something. And then when you have it all mixed up by shaking 33 times, then it'll look super clear and beautiful. Now, when you actually have this ready, you will love, love, love to use this not only on bruises, and remember you can use it a couple times a day, especially if it's painful. But right when you very first get it, this is a great thing to put onto your skin. And you can even, you're so excited to be helping me. You can even use it when you're having pains like in your legs or your arms or things like that, when you're feeling like you're kind of growing really fast and you're getting kind of uncomfortable and some of your just some of your body just like kind of achy yucky feeling, you can always use this black and blue blend for that also, because it really helps some of that discomfort to go away. So and one last thing before we jump off, aside from the Aroma Touch and Copaiba, if you have some that's like almost kind of like where you can kind of see that there's like a lot of like blood underneath and things like that, the helichrysum, which is an expensive oil, don't use that unless mom says yes, and just a drop or two, okay? And then geranium, these two are good, especially if you have a lot of like something that's like underneath the surface of your skin that's still kind of dark colored, or maybe even bleeding under there. We want that extra healing. Okay, don't forget to label your creations, because as we continue to make more and more of these, you're going to want to be able to remember what each one is for, right? Now, if mom doesn't have her account with doTERRA and she doesn't have these kind of high quality oils, make sure she gets with me. You can send an email to enamoredwithnature@gmail.com, or you can find me on Facebook or through YouTube as well under Amanda Dumas or Enamored with Nature. Okay, guys, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I hope all of your bruises go away as fast as this little guy's did. It's kind of weird that we can't even show you how well it worked, because you don't know where it was. Anyway, though, you guys just keep being courageous and keep using those essential oils and keep loving them, and have a really, really good day. Okay, bye.